In this video, I'm going to show you the advanced voice counting that is available in PolyNome 2.0.3. So I have a bar of 4 quarter notes. I'm going to click on Change Sounds and then click above the R and click the voice. And you'll see in the voice count options now we have voice 1 to 12, 1 to 11, 1 to 10. So basically these are different voice count options which will count up to the number in question. So if I choose 1 to 12, it says 12 when you press it, but basically every time the R is played, it's going to count the next number until it hits 12 and then it will loop. So to begin with, I'm going to let you see what happens when we play.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Notice that the voice count keeps going until it gets to 12 and then it starts over. So let's say you just wanted it to count up to 4. You have two options. One of them is to use reset each cycle. And a cycle in PolyNome is the length of the pattern that you have in the rhythm view here. So this will restart the counting when the cycle repeats.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So if you wanted something in 5/4, you could change that in here, just add an extra quarter note. And I can change the time signature to say 5/4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2.
One of the useful features of resetting is that you can have the counting reset each note group. So if we clear all in here and I enter, for example, divisions of a whole note, 3, 4, 5, we can have PolyNome set to count up to 12, but to restart each note group. So we'll click on there, restart each note group. And now it will count up to 3, and then up to 4, and then up to 5.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
If we turned the reset off, then it will just count those and go up to 12.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1.
So that's one way you can use voice counting. Here's another way. I'm going to enter 8th notes for a bar of 5/4. Then I'm going to click on the Change Sounds page. And I'm going to say, choose the K sound and set it. You'll see at the bottom we have options for E and A, and A, and and. So I'm going to choose and we'll alternate R, K. So this will basically, every time an R gets hit, it will do a new number. And every time a K is hit, it will do the and sound. We have reset off, so it's going to count up to 12.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 1 and 2.
So again, if we wanted this to count the length of the cycle, we would choose reset each cycle.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5.
So let's say we want a 16th note count. I'll enter a 5/4 bar of 16th notes, and we will choose E and A from the list for K and fill in the subdivisions with 3K. So you note that we don't have to enter R, K, K, K for every note in this rhythm here. We just enter the pattern that we want to repeat.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1.
That's a brief overview of how voice counting works in PolyNome. I think you'll agree it's pretty powerful. I hope you have some fun with it. Check out polynome.net for more videos and tutorials.